Today we have more choice than ever when it comes to finding products and services to suit our individual wants and needs. And that's why creating a personalized event experience has become a huge part of event planning. Hey, I'm Katie with Endless Events, and one of the trends we've been seeing a lot of lately is creating a personalized and customized event experience. It's all about understanding the wants and needs of the individual rather than the general crowd. So you can get started by collecting data throughout the registration process. You could do a pre-event survey where you're asking specific questions about the interests and needs of each person. And then you can take this data and use it to create event paths, which is basically a way to run similar events but with a different experience for each person. This is where event apps can be really useful because you can use the data to sort of guide people into what would be best for them. You can use GPS location, events they've favorited, and past events they've attended. And if you don't have room for this in your budget, you can just separate people out into groups based on their interests, and then you can cater the activities to those groups. You can do the same thing with breakout sessions. Another good thing is to have ways that people can feel like they're participating. So for example, a tweet wall where they can post and see what other people are posting, and you can have touch screens throughout the venue so they can access maps and schedules. Now, as far as downtime goes, you can have lounges with comfortable seating and interactive whiteboards to encourage discussion. Also consider dietary restrictions when you're planning the food so that no one feels alienated and that there's plenty of options for everyone. Now, as far as communication goes, it's a really good idea to make sure that people feel at all times that they can connect with organizers. So whether that's through social media, email, messenger, any way that they can have a question, get it answered right away. Now just remember also that you never want people to feel like their privacy is being violated at any point, so there's a fine line between personalization and having people feel like their data is being used in the wrong way. So just always keep that in the back of your mind. If you want to learn more about this, you can click the link to head to our blog post, and don't forget to give this video a like and to subscribe for more awesome content. You can also download our free event planning checklist on our website. Let us know in the comments if you're interested in planning an event with more personalization, or if you've already done it in the past. We would love to hear your thoughts. I'll see you next time.